When changing the filter, you pull this with both hands, take it out, and then there's another filter here. You pull this both hands so it doesn't break. You take it out, and then you take this off, one, and then the other one. Take it off. It's difficult to do with two hands. And then you run them underwater to remove all the dirt. You see the dirt coming off? Oh, sorry. And then you'll see that it gets clean. And you see it's clean. You shake it. Same with the other one. Until all the items come off. Do not put it back wet. Leave it. Don't use a paper towel because it puts lint on it. Just shake it really, really hard like this. And then lightly wipe it. And do the same with this. If it's dirty, wash it under the sink. Use a cloth. Use one of these cloths. You can dry that with it. You can dry this with it. And you can dry this with it. And then you put them back over here.